Okay guys, I'm going to show you how I'm going to go about making some potato filling for some pies that I want to make. So here what I did, I boiled some potatoes here in some salted water and then I mashed it up. And in here, the frying pan here, I have some oil and I put 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. I put a half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. I put about a 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds, and I had also cut up 1 small bird pepper in it. So I'm just going to heat this up, and then I'm going to add the potato to this. Of course, we're also going to add salt to taste as well. Okay, so now I'm going to add in my potato. Alright, so to this, I'm just going to add Actually, I'm just going to add about 1/4 teaspoon, given that I just have a little bit of potato. 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, add a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. Stir that up, and then I'm also going to add in some spring onions as well. You also have to add our salt, so let's do that. Now let me just taste for salt. Alright, so there you have it, folks. How to make a potato filling. So you can use this filling if you want to make samosas, if you want to make what is called potato pies or aloo pies. You can use this filling for whatever you want to do. Hi guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, give the video a thumbs up, and I'd love to hear from you guys. So leave some comments below and let me know if you enjoyed this recipe. See you in my next video. Bye for now.